Jigging time, afternoon session. We are a visitor today. Marco.
Hi.
Hello. And Edward. Time check, 2 p.m. Let's go. We'll do the first drop. We'll use this 200 grams jig, silver glow. Ewa. Mugod, mugod, mugod. Mugod, mugod. Stop, stop. Wala pa, dyan na. Wala pa. What's this fish? Ah, no. Ananas. Huh?
That big chicken, that's
Bottom, fish on. Oh, from the bottom. Oh,
I wait for the big.
yeah.
This will catch you. Because this is catching the big one.
Yeah.
50 meters more.
More?
No. Oh,
Wala.
lost it.
Tuton?
I don't know.
Ayan.
Fish on. Yeah, it's far now. Oh. Oh.
Huling ko sa buntag traya.
Wala kang gloves.
Wala eh. Wala na tayong gap.
Hindi ako makaporma eh.
Kuha mo na lang pre. Kuha mo. Kasi ano mo sa silip mo. Bakas ah. Gano'n ito na?
Iwan. Ayan na.
Ito na nga.
Sa taas na pala. Kunin mo na rin isang gloves ko para mahawakan mo mamaya yung leader line kaliwa. Sa taas na pala. 10 meters more.
Kuha mo na lang pre. Kuha mo. Kasi ano mo sa silip mo. Bakas ah. Gano'n ito na?
Ayan na. Take for the video. Show that show. Other side. Jig, show jig. Turn. It's okay. Take care, huh? Because of the jig.
Great.
Colorful. Oh. Fish on. What is this fish? No, it's there. Small trevally. Wow! Oops. This don't. Aywa! This is trevally, yellow spotted. Yellow spotted trevally on Masuzi, 60 grams.
Wrong side.
Wrong side, yeah, but
Better.
oh. Inangat mo na. Oops. Hindi, ito, gloves. Mamaya.
Kanan.
Kanan yan. Very far, ha?
Muna yan, Fred.
Hindi, pwedeng GT yan eh. Aywa. Pero may battery pa.
Ito yung live, ano, baka madali mo.
Sige.
Off.
No, this is on. The problem is it's shutting down automatically.
Wala na kasi yung ano ko.
When it sees the boat, it's fighting again. It's fighting hard on top. So we'll wait, it will get tired.
Yeah.
Cannot force because this is light. The line, lapit ka dito, Edward.
Teka, baka ako dumapis eh.
Yeah, no need to bring up. Just give the line, give to Edward. Yes. Yeah. Bigay sa kanya buntot.
Oops.
Take care.
May ano siya, tumama ang hook sa damit niya.
Down.
Woo! How does it feel?
Good.
How's the fight?
Fine.
Blackfin tuna from using light setup. Oh, spinning light setup. Yes. Congratulations.
Thank you.